Hello everybody, it is time to service and maintain the solar lights for the summer of 2026. So let's make them go from this to this. I'm going to bring them up in groups. I'm going to wash the solar lights and then proceed to the tops where I'll wet sand and let them dry and then give them a clear coat. And then let them dry, put them back into service. So I'll do one in real time and then I'll time lapse the rest of them like I usually do on this type of stuff. I have one of these XM Cozy Plus units. I believe this is one of the first ones I bought after seeing them featured on JK18's channel. And as you can see, it has turned quite weathered, but I think I can improve this. I've got my various cleaners, probably going to feature some LA's Totally Awesome on this job because it's handy. So simply give it a squirt in the base as well. And give them a scrub. And let that dry. Take the old Scotch-Brite and give that a scrub as well. Maybe being just a touch careful with the water so it doesn't get up in the workings. And gently rinse that off. Wipe the underneath. We're working. But let's improve upon this appearance. Do a little wet sanding here, very gently. Don't want to wear through the finish. Some of these are worse than others. This one's not too bad. And I'll let that air dry. And we'll come back for the next part when I get all these done. So let's get the time lapse set. I've got one here with a little paint loss, so I'm going to have to do a little bit different procedure on this one, but let's get with it. Gonna need to paint this one black. Using the good old high performance enamel from Rust-Oleum. We'll let that dry and then do the clear coat over all of them. And there's another set of 6 done. And now for those NEOM light covers. Kind of disappointed with how poorly the finish held up after only 1 year. Not sure what I'm going to do here. I think I am going to simply clean them up and repaint them black and call it good. Okay, all the solar lights are cleaned up and maintained. These turned out pretty nice, and all of these did as well. So now to sit back and wait until they turn on. May have to do this over the series of 2 or 3 nights to be able to capture them all, but we'll do the best we can. And then we'll do a final tour, what everything looks like.